Good morning, friends. It's Mark Carmona with Top Door Property Solutions, bringing you your latest video update. I'm here in near downtown San Antonio on Lambert, where we bought two properties recently that I want to share with you. We're at 135 East Lambert today, which is the first property we picked up. When we got this property, if you can envision, nothing but studs framing the house. That's it. No walls, no roof, anything. We were able to pick up the property. And as you'll see from this video update today, we've already put in our siding all around the house, the hardy planks all the way around. Windows are in, plywood on top of the roof. The decking for the roof is already in place, and we're thinking we're gonna put a metal roof here on this house. But it's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Nice living room, large kitchen space, plenty of bedrooms, large closets. So I think you're gonna be pleased with this house. I think you're gonna want this house. It's a beautifully placed house in a really up-and-coming neighborhood close to downtown. I'm excited to show you what's going on. Let's get inside. So this whole space that you're looking at right now is going to be a large kitchen with an open kind of dining room or open room, whatever somebody would decide to use it for. As you can tell, plenty of natural light coming into. So you walk into the front door, you're going to walk into a nice living room space. You keep walking down the hallway. On the left-hand side, you're going to see a second bedroom with a big closet inside that second bedroom. Across from that will be the master, a large master closet, and then a nice size master bath. Down that hallway to the right-hand side, you're going to see a place for a utility room where we'll also put the furnace for the HVAC as well as the hot water heater. So this house is really kind of laid almost kind of like a shotgun type with plenty of room. Easily 16 to 1700 square feet. This is a larger, kind of a more open space in this house. Down the street at 155, you're going to have more of a bungalow feel. Up and coming neighborhood, really a lot of people moving into this part of downtown, near downtown. So we expect this property, we're probably going to have a metal roof on this property as well. So it's going to kind of bring that artistic kind of feel, character to this neighborhood, which is really what people are looking for these days. Different from the house down the street. So we'll head to 155 in a little bit, but this is Mark Carmona with Top Door Property Solutions at 135 East Lambert. Keep an eye on it because it's going to be coming fast, and I'll see you on the flip side.